Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 4 on our 14-day countdown. Yesterday, we finished up with getting just about almost exactly half of the entire floor laid. So I went ahead and before we started recording, we've already had a customer show up. I've had to deal with all my morning stuff, of course, as always. So for the whole day today, the entire game plan is just get the floor finished and then get other areas and other loose ends and strings cleaned up, okay? Because tomorrow, we're gonna hit the road. I'm gonna take you guys with me the entire day. We're gonna go see multiple dealers, and we're gonna go see what kind of inventory we're gonna find, and then we're gonna kick out the show tomorrow night. It also seems that we may have a few more coins to send off to be graded now, so I guess it was kind of maybe serendipitous that I didn't send off those coins to be graded yet. Once we lock in this next package and secure that, that's when we will go ahead and do the coin grading video. We'll update all of you with that. But in the meantime, for today, we're gonna focus on getting this floor done, tying up the loose strings, and prepping for tomorrow's show. Let's see how we can make today entertaining for you. Let's go! I was forced to pause, but due to a pleasant surprise, because right up there is a mini split unit, so that way we have our own temperature controlled units in here. Now, we can go ahead and get this finished, but our guys did not clean up their mess. So we gotta sweep up their mess, we gotta move their ladders, and I'm actually gonna get them out of here instead of scuffing up our new floors. And we're going to finish this floor. We were also able to collect a little bit more funds, which was awesome, and we were able to secure this box right here, which was a purchase from one of you viewers. Securing this package is really gonna help take the pressure off of tomorrow. After we get this floor finished up, we'll do an unboxing with this. That'll probably be it for the day. Last row, let's go! There you have it, the floor is done. This floor needs a thorough clean and now it needs trim. I think we're gonna call it a night in here. It's time to go get some dinner. Ultimately, after we are done eating, we're gonna do that unboxing and start putting coins in flips as we wind down for the night. Also during this day, we also secured another really awesome purchase. It's coming from Florida. It should be here by midweek next week, but this one is gonna be awesome and it will be here during our 14-day countdown. So I'm not gonna expose what it is. We're gonna save a little bit of suspense until then, but some really, really cool items are coming and they will be here soon. Let's go get some dinner and I would call today a huge success. Let's see what we got. So here we ended up with 3 rolls of 40% Kennedy halves, a roll of Rosies, and 2 Mercury dimes. Thank you everybody for your support today. We were able to get the floor laid. There's still a lot to be done, but we're gonna hit this timeline. Being able to secure a couple of purchases today was also a real big boost. Tomorrow we're gonna hit it hard looking for new inventory, all for tomorrow night's show. Ultimately today was a really big success, being able to get the floor done, being able to get done a lot of admin work that was off camera. Also, I was able to get a short done before I ended up eating dinner. So today was ultimately a really big success. I'm really proud with the progress that was made today, and so thank you. It's all about taking a moment within the journey and within the process to just smell the roses. And even though roses may not smell that great sometimes, it's always just a good thing to take that deep breath and just thank God for being alive. Never give up, never stop, and I'll see you tomorrow.